Membership in Winners Toastmasters is not restricted to elegant and beautiful women. We are there, and there are many more. However, we are proud to have another lady as president this year. It's 200 years since the Waterloo. Napoleon might have lost, but the words that he said, which we all grew up with, reminds me of our new president, Shivani Baliga. Impossible is the word found in the dictionary of fools. The main point, or the main thing that strikes you about Shivani is a childlike enthusiasm. Wants to touch everything. Prayer Shivani, Toastmaster Shivani, General Evaluator Shivani. She's ready to take that challenge, and everything about her, the credit goes to her except for her good looks. वो तो भगवान ने बनाया. Another thing is about Shivani is, I can think about, when I think about Shivani, is like a boxer. If somebody asks me to cast for Mary Kom, I would have chosen Shivani than Priyanka Chopra. It's like watching a movie. Every time you see a hero getting hit, if you don't want to watch, you will say, Aisa maro, because she's faltered and then, like how they say in boxing, come on, bring it on. She's never lost hope. She's never got discouraged with whatever comments have been passed or any comments made. She's always taken it as a, she said, Basket, I'm not bothered. Don't worry. I'll learn, no? Ladies and gentlemen, to our elegant demure president for 2015-16, Shivani Baliga, with her acceptance speech.
I'm overwhelmed. I can't speak after you spoke. Resplendent chief guest, Sushil Chandra. Sparkling division director, DTM Malini Hebbar. Shining area director, Savita. Glowing Toastmasters and brilliant guests. When I think of the theme of light, thought that lights up my mind is special. Believe me, friends, for 33 years of my life, the only light I was accustomed to was the light of the gas stove. When I cooked, and the light of the diya when I prayed. Then came this dazzling light into my life, the light called Toastmasters. It was like the serendipitous spark of fire that the ancient primitives came across. Just as the world did not remain the same once the light was discovered, my life has not remained the same once I stumbled upon Toastmasters. I thank Mr. Vishnu Shevgur and Toastmaster Bharti Shevgur for this gift of Toastmasters membership to me. Since my inception as member, I have never looked back. My donning the role of president is also a logical progression in my Toastmaster journey of self-improvement. Yes, self-improvement, dear friends. Many of you have been my mentors. Tell me, don't I say home properly as home instead of home? Thank you, Toastmaster Phyllis DeCosta, for the phonetic classes. Friends, I know that I still have a long way to go. I promise you that I will take long, powerful strides to complete the race. I know that you will always be with me. This year, As president, I have a bright team with me. I have wise, winsome, and wonderful man who does complete justice to the theme of this evening, light. My reference is to Bhaskar Kiran, the source of light, as VP Education, giving us the light of knowledge. Roshan, as VP membership, is Roshan indeed. He will brighten our club meetings, bringing more and more new members.
Let's stop there.
As you already see, praiseworthy Stuti as VPPR will be so admirable that we will Stuti Pevu Stutiyannu Anudina. Prim and powerful Praveen as treasurer will ensure that treasure in our account will be well maintained and will never lose its sheen. Scintillating Deborah, as quick and efficient as silver, will be the club secretary. Last, but certainly not the least, handsome Keith will ensure that all of us Toastmasters will remain together like the Milky Way of the firmament. If at all the Toastmaster sky gets slightly cloudy, my husband, Mr. Ritesh, and my children, Saurav and Isha, will certainly give me the lift and make me soar high towards victory. Friends, don't think that it is the customary thanksgiving of an obedient wife. If other women around me are worried about joining organizations because of the displeasure of their husbands, in my case, if I have crossed the portals of Toastmasters, it was my husband who literally pushed me into the wide, vast world of communication. And believe me, my first rehearsals of these speeches have always been in front of my children and my husband. They are lovingly critical, but together, all they have ensured that I go ahead in life towards success. So friends, I have hitched my wagon to the stars. Now tell me, will all of you come along with me in the wagon?
Yeah.
Thank you. The chief guest of the evening has already lit the path that I have to take as we move forward in unison. That's why I'm not nervous about getting into the big shoes of Toastmaster Savita Salyan, who has won for the club all awards, including Golden Gavel Plus Award. Shall we put our hands together for the Golden Lady Savita? Shall I request all of you to offer the standing ovation to an achiever par excellence? Thank you. Savita, do accept a token of love which does no justice for the great work that you have done. Thank you.